Hey, everyone. Welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, we're going to dive into NLP, natural language processing. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered who or what is behind the answers you get from websites, smart assistants, or even calls over the internet? You might be surprised to learn that those smooth, human-like conversations aren't actually powered by humans. Now you must be thinking, if they are not human, how do they manage to sound and seem so human-like? How do they respond to me so intelligently? And how are they so articulate? This, my friends, the magic of natural language processing. In another way, natural language processing, NLP, is a subfield of computer science and artificial intelligence, AI, that uses machine learning to enable computers to understand and communicate with human language. Every day, people interact through social media platforms, exchanging vast amounts of freely accessible data. This data is invaluable for analyzing human behavior and understanding consumer habits. Data analysts and machine learning specialists leverage this information to enable machines to replicate human language patterns. This capability significantly reduces the need for constant human presence, saving substantial resources in both time and labor by allowing automated systems to manage interactions seamlessly. NLP makes it easier for humans to communicate and collaborate with machines by allowing them to do so in the natural human language they use every day. This offers benefits across many industries and applications. Automation of repetitive tasks, improved data analysis and insights, enhanced search, content generation. Now let's see the application of NLP. First, sentiment analysis is a key application of natural language processing, NLP, that focuses on identifying and understanding the emotional tone behind textual data. By analyzing content from sources like social media posts, product reviews, or customer feedback, sentiment analysis helps to gauge public opinion, monitor brand reputation, and understand customer satisfaction. Information retrieval, IR, is an essential NLP application focused on finding and extracting relevant information from large volumes of unstructured data, such as web pages, documents, or social media content. Question answering, QA, is a specialized NLP application aimed at providing precise answers to user questions by processing and understanding natural language queries. Machine translation, MT, is a prominent application of natural language processing, NLP, that focuses on automatically converting text or speech from one language to another. Information extraction, IE, is a crucial application of natural language processing, NLP, that focuses on automatically identifying and extracting structured information from unstructured text data. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us a thumbnail if you like this video.